Hello, dear students. Welcome to Grammar 1, Lesson 11, Singular and Plural Nouns. In this tutorial, you will learn 8 rules that you need to follow in order to change singular nouns into plural nouns correctly. So let's start with rule number 1. Most nouns are made plural by adding s to the end of the singular form. For example, cars, bags, tables, houses, dogs. Now let's have a look at rule number 2. Singular nouns that end in s, x, z, ch, sh, or ss form the plural by adding es. For example, vases, benches, boxes, dishes, chesses, marshes, lunches, taxes, blitzes, and watches. Let's move on to rule number 3 now. The plural form of some nouns that end in f or fe is made by changing the ending to ves. For example, half, halves, hoof, hoofs, calf, calves, elf, elves, shelf, shelves, leaf, leaves, laugh, laughs, thief, thieves, wolf, wolves, life, lives, knife, knives, scarf, scarves, wife, wives. There are some exceptions for rule number 3, such as calf, not cough, chef, relief, roof, and chief. So what we need to do to change these singular nouns into plural nouns, we need to add an s. We don't need to change ff or f to ves ending. So for example, calves, not coughs, chefs, reliefs, roofs, and chiefs. So now let's have a look at rule number 4. Nouns ending in o. Nouns that end in o preceded by a vowel are made plural by adding s. For example, radio, stereo, and video. Radios, stereos, and videos. Rule number 4, we're still looking at rule number 4. Nouns that end in o preceded by a consonant are made plural by adding es. For example, potato, tomato, hero, echo, veto, and domino. So here, as you can see, in the word potato, we have the o preceded by a consonant, right? Here we have T-O. So when we want to make these singular nouns, plural nouns, what we need to do is add es. And potato will be potatoes, tomatoes, tomatoes, hero, heroes, echo, echoes, veto, vetoes, domino, dominos. There are some exceptions for rule number 4, such as piano, photo, hello, and soprano. As you can see here, the O is preceded by a consonant, but in this case we have these exceptions. Why? So for these exceptions, what we need to do is just add an S. Piano will be pianos, photo, photos, hello, hellos, soprano, sopranos. Let's jump to rule number 5, nouns ending in Y. When the Y follows a consonant, change Y to I and add in es. For example, city, cities, candy, candies, country, countries, family, families, cherry, cherries, lady, ladies, puppy, puppies, 40 parties. Let's have a look at rule number 6. When the Y follows a vowel, the plural is formed by retaining the Y and adding S. For example, day, holiday, ray, boy, toy, key, and donkey. Here we can see that the word day here, the Y follows a vowel, right? A-Y. So here we don't need to change Y to I and add ES. We just add an S. We keep the Y and we add an S. Days, holidays, rays, boys, toys, keys, and donkeys. Let's have a look at rule number 7. Changing the spelling of singular nouns. For example, person, ox, man, woman, caveman, policeman, child, tooth, foot, goose, moose, or mouse in this case, and mouse. So there are some particular nouns that have a special form when we want to make them plural. That's what we call them special nouns. So these are special nouns that when we want to change them into plural nouns, we need to change their spelling. Such as person, for example, that will be, the plural form will be people. For ox, oxen. For man, men. For woman, women. For caveman, cavemen. For policeman, policemen. Child, children. Tooth, teeth. Foot, feet. Goose, geese. Mouse, mice. Mouse, lice. And finally here we're looking at rule number 8. And it says some nouns use the same singular and plural form. For example, aircraft, barracks, deer, gallows, moose, salmon, half-craft, spacecraft, series, species, means, offspring, deer, fish, and ship. So that's it for today's lesson. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to text me, to call me if you need any help. I'll be here to help you out. And I'll see you later. Bye bye. Take care.